Welcome back. Ready to learn 20 key English words for the house? Let's jump right in. Porch.
Porch,
Now repeat after me.
porch,
Porch. Basement.
basement,
Give it a try. Repeat the word.
basement,
Basement. Attic.
attic,
Your turn. Try saying it out loud.
attic,
Attic. Sofa.
sofa. Let's say that word together. Sofa,
Sofa. Bed.
bed,
Now repeat after me.
bed,
Bed. Chair.
chair,
Let's say that word together.
chair,
Chair. Mirror.
mirror,
Can you say it with me?
mirror,
Mirror. Carpet.
carpet,
Give it a try. Repeat the word.
carpet,
Carpet. Lamp.
lamp,
Let's say that word together.
lamp,
Lamp. Table.
table,
Now repeat after me.
table,
Table. Curtain.
curtain,
Let's say that word together.
curtain,
Curtain. Blanket.
blanket,
Give it a try. Repeat the word.
blanket,
Blanket. Refrigerator.
refrigerator,
Can you say it with me? Let's go.
refrigerator,
Refrigerator. Pillow.
pillow,
Now repeat after me.
pillow, pillow,
Pillow. Clock.
clock,
Let's say that word together.
clock, clock,
Shelf.
shelf,
Your turn. Try saying it out loud.
shelf,
Shelf. Drawer.
drawer,
Let's say that word together.
drawer,
Drawer. Fan.
fan. Now, repeat after me. Fan,
Fan. Television.
television,
Let's say that word together.
television, fan,
Wardrobe.
wardrobe,
Can you say it with me? Let's go.
wardrobe,
Wardrobe.
You're doing amazing. Now, let's go over the words again. What is this?
Table. Table.
What's the name of this?
Attic. Attic.
Can you tell me what this is?
Chair. Chair.
What is this thing?
Porch. Porch.
Do you remember what this is?
Basement. Basement.
Do you know what this is? Sofa. Sofa. What is this item called?
Bed. Bed.
Do you know what this is?
Mirror. Mirror.
Can you tell me what this is?
Carpet. Carpet.
Do you remember what this is?
Lamp. Lamp.
What is this item called?
Self. Self.
Can you tell me what this is?
Curtain. Curtain.
What's the name of this?
Pillow. Pillow.
Do you know what this is?
Blanket. Blanket.
What's the name of this?
Clock. Clock.
Can you tell me what this is?
Drawer. Drawer.
Do you remember what this is?
Wardrobe. Wardrobe.
What is this item called?
Television. Television.
What is this thing?
Fan. Fan.
And can you tell me what this is?
Refrigerator. Refrigerator.
Well done! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Can't wait to see you in the next video.